Hello everybody, and today we are going to speak about timetable. Now we are all not very busy, and timetable is a good thing to create discipline, to create responsibility and some entertainment also. So for timetable we need clock, and we will do clock with you today. So here you can see clock face, which is representing 1, 2, 3, 4, all 12 hours a day. Short hand shows us hours, long hand shows us minutes. We also know electronic clock. First, electronic clock shows hours, and secondly, minutes. For example, 5 hours. Small hand shows 5 hours, 0 minutes, long hand. We can exchange. 5 hours, 45 minutes, 45, like this. So you can teach your kids how to understand clock and its hands. Simple thing you need is any cardboard, scissors, compass. If you have no compass, no problem. You can use any plate, any tiffin, round shape. Even it can be square, no problem also. So, first thing you do, making clock face. You can make it big or small, up to you. After that, you take a pen and write hours. Start with 12. Under 12 goes 6. Right side 3. Left side 9. And here you should put 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. Here we are. Our clock. Next thing you need hands. You cut short hand. I'm giving you already prepare beforehand. So, and the pin, with the pin you fix it in the center. And if you don't want to lose these hands, you can put a piece of eraser, so it is strong. Now you can use clock. For small kids, you can show that they get up at 8 o'clock, for example. They have breakfast at 9 o'clock. Do some exercises at 10. Whatever. Go to bed at 10 p.m. Next thing is, you can write minutes. For kids who understood this numbers, you can write minutes. So, we start with 0. 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. Oh, 55. Like this. Now you can cut it like a square or circle shape, up to you, and use it. 4 minutes and hours, simple matchboxes. You can also cut a piece of paper where you write minutes, so your child can use it properly.